This training video will show you how to use the superb 2940 nanometer with the CVD tip on the Alma Harmony. Set up your Alma Harmony as shown in the setup video. Connect the magnetic 2940 CVD tip with the flat side facing downwards. Attach the cooled horseshoe tip in front of the CVD tip. The system automatically identifies the connected applicators. The laser module, Superb, is displayed on the operating screen. Press on the picture and you will be taken to the corresponding operating screen. The system automatically identifies the connected handpiece and tip. CVD is displayed on the operating screen for full spot sizes. To use Alma presets, press Load, Alma presets, select Skin Type, choose your indication, and then the level of treatment required and the settings as detailed in the operating manual will be displayed. All settings can be changed if required. Select the spot size between 1 to 6 millimeters. The pulse width ranges from 0.25 milliseconds to 1.5 milliseconds. Adjust the energy per pulse. The fluence value is displayed below. Note that the minimum and maximum energy levels will vary according to the pulse width selected. Frequency can be toggled from 2 to 6 Hz. This will deliver consecutive pulses per second when the trigger and foot switch are pressed. The total energy accumulated during the treatment will be recorded here in kilojoules. Cooling can be switched off or used at 25, 50, 75, or 100% intensity. Pulses can be stacked in groups of 2 if required. The total number of pulses in your session will be recorded here. To choose your chosen settings, press Save As, type the name, and press Save. To retrieve your presets, press Load, My Presets, and you will be taken to your saved settings. You are now ready to start your treatment. Ensure the treatment area is clean of any cosmetics and numbing cream and dry thoroughly. Remove all jewelry from the treatment area. A skin test should be performed prior to the treatment session. If working on the face and neck, opaque shields need to be worn by the patient and the appropriate safety goggles worn by the operator. Remove the applicator from the holder and secure to the wrist with a safety strap. Press the standby button to switch to ready mode to start the treatment. To remove a raised lesion, position the cooled tip perpendicular to the lesion and center to the lesion using the markings on the horseshoe tip. Activate the laser by pressing the foot switch and then the finger trigger. A 1-second preheating phase occurs before the first pulse. Deliver several pulses over the lesion, wipe excess skin, and perform a second pass. Repeat until slight bleeding is observed or lesion is flattened. At the end of the treatment, switch to standby and return the applicator to its holder at the side of the device. The clinical endpoint is epidermal ablation of lesion or detachment of skin tags. Apply soothing cream, dress the area if necessary, and remind the client of post-treatment instructions. Refer to the operating manual for in-depth post-treatment instructions. To use thermal mode, select the 8 mm spot size. Pulse duration will be fixed at 0.18 milliseconds, frequency at 20 Hz, and the energy can be set as per your operating manual. For a thermal treatment, move quickly within treatment area until the total energy is reached as detailed in your operating manual. The total energy throughout the treatment will be recorded. At the end of the treatment, switch to standby and return the applicator to its holder at the side of the device. The clinical endpoint is moderate erythema. Apply soothing cream on the treatment area and remind the client of post-treatment instructions. Refer to the operating manual for in-depth post-treatment instructions.